immediately, immediately, immediate, immediately.
Now or without waiting or thinking about something.
We really ought to leave immediately. The purpose of the meeting wasn't immediately obvious.
Yogurt. Yogurt.
Yogurt.
A slightly sour, thick liquid made from milk with bacteria added to it, sometimes sweetened and with a fruit flavor added and sometimes eaten plain.
Natural or plain yogurt. Strawberry yogurt. Low-fat yogurt.
Worker. Worker.
Worker. Worker.
Work, worker, work, working, overworked.
Someone who works for a company or organization but does not have a powerful position.
Factory workers. Many companies still treat their management staff better than their workers.
Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm.
A storm that has thunder and lightning.
We sheltered in the barn during the thunderstorm.
Boyfriend. Boyfriend.
A man or boy who someone is having a romantic relationship with.
He's not my boyfriend, we're just good friends. Kathy's ex-boyfriend was a really nice guy.
To read. To read.
Read. Read. Reader, reading, read, readership, read. Read, read.
To look at words that are written and say them aloud for other people to listen to.
Do you want me to read it to you? I read him a story at bedtime. Children love to have stories read aloud to them.
East. East.
East. East. East, east, eastern. East.
The direction that you face to see the sun rise, opposite to the west.
The points of the compass are north, south, east and west. Which way is east?
The part of an area that is further towards the east than the rest.
Her home is in the east of France. Most of the country, except the east, is rural.
In or forming the east part of something.
New York is east of Chicago. The east wall of the mosque is covered with a beautiful mosaic.
Towards the east.
They sailed further east. Gas. Gas.
A substance in a form like air that is used as a fuel for heating and cooking.
A gas cooker. Do you prefer cooking with electricity or gas?
Envelope. Envelope.
Envelope. Envelope.
A flat paper container for a letter.
She ripped open the envelope.
Spell. Spell.
spell, spell,
spelling, spell,
To write down or tell someone the letters which are used to make a word.
how do you spell receive? Receive. Shakespeare did not always spell his own name the same way. Our address is 1520 Main Street, Albuquerque. Shall I spell that out for you?
degree, degree,
Degree, degree,
A unit for measuring temperature, shown by the symbol degree written after a number.
water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit and 100 degrees Celsius or centigrade. Tell, tell, told, told,
To order or advise someone to do something.
I told you to stay here. I told her to go home. Doctor, doctor,
A title for someone who is a medical doctor or a doctor of philosophy.
Dr. Woolley has retired from the practice.
Gate, gate,
gate, gate,
The part of a fence or outside wall that opens and closes like a door.
Please shut the gate.
Download, download.
To copy computer programs, music, or other information electronically, especially from the internet or a larger computer.
I've downloaded the program.